Recently, several commenters on my videos have been encouraging me to start posting in 4K and asking why I'm still posting in 1080p in 2025. Totally fair question. The truth is, I'm still using the same camera that I started on YouTube back in 2021. It's the Canon M50 Mark II, and it only can do 4K in 24 frames per second, whereas I do my videos in 30 frames per second. I've always thought that my videos looked pretty good despite being in 1080p. My B-roll product shots are typically filmed in 4K on an iPhone and then downscaled to 1080p, which should also help them to look better, and that's really what matters. You really don't need to see my face in 4K because the products are the star of the show in my videos. But be honest with me in the comments. Are my videos not looking as good as they should? Am I falling behind by not being in 4K? Or is it just a matter of getting that little 4K marker on there as a mark of quality? I'm still a pretty small channel and cameras are very expensive, but if you guys insist that that's what I need, then I'll listen.